Hello, good morning everyone and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, in today's video we are going to look at how to control your Windows PC just using your smartphone. So without wasting much time, let us get into the video. First of all, what you need to do on your Windows PC is to launch any browser of your choice and type in remote desktop Chrome remote desktop like this, like you are seeing on the search bar here. So after that, you press the enter key from your keyboard and then click on this first link over here, and then this is what you are going to see. If you are to share your screen or to access your computer, if you have maybe two computers and you want to access the other one from your the other PC from this one, then you can click on access my computer. But in this case I want to access this particular PC I'm using here on my smartphone, so I'll click on share my screen, and then this is where it is going to take you. You are seeing this because I already have this extension on my browser, so you need to add the extension to your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, so you need to add it. You can see that if I click on the extensions here, you see I have Chrome remote desktop here, so you can add it to your this thing and then straight away you have this. So I need to share this screen, so I'll generate code. Okay, you click on generate code. Let us wait for it to load. Okay, so after generating the code, it expires in 5 minutes, right? So after this, you go to your mobile phone, or you take the device you want to the smartphone that you are willing to access this computer from. So you take that particular smartphone, and then you take your smartphone like this and then go to um Google Play Store or your App Store. I don't know whether this is available on Apple devices. So you go to your Google Play Store and then search for Chrome remote desktop and then download and open it. Okay, so after downloading, this is what you are also going to see. So you click on this menu button here, and then you see remote access. Let us click on remote support. Okay, if you click on the menu, you see remote support, so you click on it, and then you see this thing there, the placeholder is access code. So you enter the code from your PC here into your mobile phone. Okay, so the code is 2249, then 65, another 2278, and then 13. Okay, so we are left with 3 minutes to go, so you click on connect here. Okay, support station, you can see it is trying to connect. Then we are waiting for the remote user to confirm the connection. Let us exercise some patience. So from your Windows screen here, you can see you can see a prompt from the Chrome remote desktop, but would you like to allow this particular account to see and control your computer? Then you click on share. Okay, to allow it, and then you can see from your mobile phone that it is connecting, and then boom, you can see we have our Windows screen here on the mobile device, and you can control it. Okay, you can control it completely from your mobile device. As you can see, let me zoom it a bit from the mobile phone, so you can see has happened. Let me reconnect it. Okay guys, I think I'm having a problem with my internet connection here. The network here is somehow poor, so nothing else. This is just the process. You can, I believe you can proceed from here on your own. So guys, this is what I have for you today. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also comment amazing if you find this tip useful, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet. Thank you. I'll meet you in my next video.